Hi, my name is Shakil, and today I'll be presenting my AR project. Alright, as you can see, when I press the button begin, it shows the locators pointing at the specific components of the measuring station. So as we press one of the locator, we can see that the image of the component, the infographic, and a back button pops up. So as we press one of the picture, as for example the measuring station, it's a hyperlink that brings us to the measuring station overview, where it contains the function and its layout. And so there's also the infographic. And so to move on to the next locator, we can press the back button over here and then click on the other locator. This is for the interface, where you can see here that it shows the image and the infographic. Here's the back button. And for the next one is the conveyor module. You can see the image here with its hyperlink, its infographic, and a back button. And yes, for the interface, there's also its hyperlink. And press back button. As for the startup valve, we can see the picture over here with its infographic and the back button over here. So as we click this, it's a hyperlink to the data sheet. Okay, click on the back button. As for the lifting module, as we click it, you can see the infographic over here, the back button, and the picture of it. So as we click on it, brings us to the overview of the lifting module. So again, click on this, and this is when we have paused it. So we stop and resume. And that is all. Thank you.